Quick info, to spare your time, I'm not going to make any intro or outro for these sort of videos because it's unnecessary, I think. I'll just start straight with the content. Day 7? 1 week, that's amazing. Alright, 4 points. Updated map, new enemies and mob drops, improved balancing, new items, and what's next. That's what we're going to cover. For the sakes of testing, I updated the map into a spiral and also added grass textures because it looks pretty good. The difficulty of the mobs is more or less the level of the spiral, and they're not really that hard though, as they are all beginner mobs, so defeating them or fighting them is pretty easy. There are now 5 distinct mobs, which I gave extremely high quality designs to. Mobs now also have a not so unique skill set, with basic single target and strong single target attacks, AoEs, and because I was lazy, no projectiles, but that'll be added at some point. Each one of the mobs has a unique drop table with the ability to drop weapons, secondaries, and clothing, which are the basics to become stronger. All secondary equipment and clothing pieces have been completely rebalanced because they were broken and seem very nice at the moment. Of course, there is only so much balancing one can do on his own without proper feedback, so I'm going to expect a lot of feedback on items and gear later if I release a version of the game. Setting up for crafting, slime mobs can drop slime, which is a generic item that will most likely be used for potion crafting. Primary and secondary equipment now range from level 1 to 15, so around level 15 is the point where you won't get better gear for now. Next is going to be a NPC to sell items to. When that is done, I can probably test the unlocking skills for gold system and NPCs to buy things from. A quest board was on my mind recently, which I've been talking to a lot of people about, and it seems to get quite the positive response, so I'll be talking about that more in the future. I will most likely do some sort of spell rework, as they are very limited at this time and combat could be so much more fun. I will not be doing these videos daily. I might, as before, just release some sort of short or do something similar to this when new content has been added. That's it for week 1. See ya!